In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone the entire website in just one command. First of all, you need to open the terminal. Okay, now I need to find which website I need to clone. Okay, I have this website, okay, tcbnewdemo.com. And as you can see here, this website has multiple pages. You can go to the menu. You can see the menu.html, then about page, book table page. You can see the in a menu page, you will see here the burger, you will see here the filter option like this. That's really amazing. So I'm going to clone this entire website. Okay, so first of all, you need to copy the URL of website. Okay, and open the terminal. Now you just need to type here first wget and enter. And as you can see here, zsh command not found wget. So you need to install it. So just type here brew install wget and enter and wait some second. Now it's done. Let's clear this and let's check wget again. And you can see here the missing URL. It means wget command we have installed in our system. Now let me just clear it. Now we need to just simply type wget -- mirror space -- then convert - links space, and we need to paste the URL of any website. Just paste it. So I just pasted this website URL, and now we need to just click on enter button and wait some seconds. Let me show you here where I'm gonna save this. So go to the home, go home here, and you can see here this will create here one folder, this website name, and it's generating the file. As you can see here, this generated a file. Yes, it's like 43%. It's still generating some files, CSS. Okay, so let's wait more seconds and see. As you can see here, now we have more files here. Finally, our website is completed. Okay? Now let's go here and let's open that index.html. As you can see, our website will save the website name folder. Okay, here, open this and open the index.html. Where is that index? This. And here is the entire website. It's cloned with all the content. Let's try the pizza. Oh, pasta, fries. Oh, every JS, every CSS, and everything. Let's try to go to the another menu. Oh, they have menu.html. Go to the about. Yes, perfectly fine. Book table. It's everything is just awesome. So this is the really very easy way to clone any website. When you can host this website, you just need to change the content using the VS Code and just host it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.